Hey guys, welcome to our day 6 video of our 7-day Mudgar challenge for beginners. So today what we're going to do is hold your Mudgar again with both hands, okay? And this move is called swing back move, okay? Swing back move. So basically swinging towards the back, okay? Like this, okay? Like this, okay? So come, let's start the practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I'll show this move from side angle also. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and relax. We are done with our day 6 challenge. Yes, we are nearly done with the challenge. Only one more video left and then we'll be done with the entire 7-day challenge. That was it guys for today's video. I will see you in the day 7 video.